Alright guys, Steven with Narcoleptic Customs, Brian with Blackseed, and he got my dash done for the MG. So we have some other videos. We did pretty good, or he did pretty good. You can see it's all foamed up, nice and sanded down to a lot smoother than it was. And now we're going to lay out something with tape. I don't know what we're laying out. What are we laying out, Brian?
We're going to lay out where our seams are going to end up going. So wherever we need to sew in, I need to start making patterns.
Gotcha.
So we're going to do that with tape and Sharpie until we get the desired effect.
Hell yeah, cool. This is the way Brian lays out his stitching or where it's going to go. So this is the bottom of the dash right now. There's the top. So we kind of got it figured out, or he's got it figured out. I ain't got nothing figured out. So. Guys, here we go. Here we go. Woo, look at that.
Speed of a turtle.
Hey, it don't matter. Slow and steady wins the race. Only got 40 more feet to go. Flatness is key. So do you pull it through, or does it pull itself through?
It's a walking foot, so it pulls itself through. The bottom of the machine moves, and the top foot moves.
Oh, okay.
And it pulls it back every time it moves. Yeah, I'm trying not to pull on it because I don't need to stretch material in any way. But basically, our template and our setup to this point, we just want to stay exactly that way.
Right.
And get through some of these weird, crazy corners you have.
So what's the knee pad for?
It'll raise and lower the foot of the machine.
Oh.
The machine, you can stack about 1 inch of foam and everything else under it to sew through it. It's quite a bit different than Grandma's sewing machine.
Yeah, it is.
Takes a lot more and does leather or whatever else you want. Stacks of leather.
Oh, nice. So pretty much you'll sew whatever you want to sew.
Pretty much. Like I typically, if we're doing seats, I'm sewing basically 1/2 inch of foam and 2 pieces of leather at the same time, and it goes through without issues.
That's nice. Does it just change the depth of the needle then, or?
No, this will raise it so you can feed it all into it.
Oh, I got you.
Okay, so I'll show you here in a second.
So it'll just smash it all the way down to get your needle through there, huh?
Well, it's basically height, so you can pull all this up so that it can go under. I'm just about to the end of the piece, I'll show you.
So what's that switch do?
So that's a reverse, and it
Yeah.
locks in my stitch.
Alright guys, as you can see, we have it all foamed up. Sorry. As you can see, it's all nice and done. So, gauges will go there. I'm hoping to have those in by this weekend. It'd be real nice. And then everything else is nice and smooth and stitched. Everything should smooth out pretty good when the heat hits it, for sure. So, we'll see how it looks. So, I'll keep y'all updated and we'll load the video up. Thanks guys. Hey, thanks.
Thanks.